Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am fixing a very common problem in many digital clocks. The backlight stays on all the time, even during the day. This happens because the manufacturer installed the ambient light sensor inside the clock where it's always reads the darkness. So today I will show you step by step how to relocate these light sensors to the top of the clock using just a two wire. Let's get started. First we are going to remove the batteries. Later we are going to unscrew the um, back panel. So once we remove all the four screws, we can remove the front panel, and we will find the display is attached to a plastic white color body. There is another two screw here and another here. We need to remove that so that we can to remove the whole setup outside from the clock body. So once both the screws are out, you can just go ahead and remove this whole setup inside the clock's body, and these are the switches that are used for enabling and disabling different features. Okay, so let's go back to our uh, topic. Okay, so if I will move this back, you will see there is a white color sensor uh, which is detecting the day and night for our clock. So let me point that for you. It is located here. We need to it looks like an LED light. Okay, we need to there is an positive terminal and negative terminal. We need to desolder it. Okay, so I am going to use a soldering machine to remove this LED, this sensor. Okay, later we are going to attach two wires to it, and we are going to move it to the on the top of the clock. Okay, so I have successfully and desoldered the sensor. Here it is. Okay, so just remember the during the desoldering, remember the positive and the negative terminal from the motherboard of the clock, and attach it exactly in the same way. I'm going to now attach one one wire to the positive terminal and another to the negative terminal. Okay. Now I am going to the wires are attached. Okay. And now I am going to attach this sensor again to the board. Mm. So now I have successfully attached the sensor again to the board. I've also added some insulation tape on the top of the sensor so that there is no short circuit. Okay, now I am going to put everything inside the box, the clock box again. Okay, now I am going to install batteries so that the clock can be on. Okay, later I am going to test whether this update is working or not. Okay, so the clock is on now. mm, let's test it out. So I'm also going to add some tape uh, on the LCD to secure it. So that is done. Now I'm going to check whether the sensor is working or not. I have already enabled the sensor button. So it is less visible on the camera, but you can see if when I'm uh, hiding the LED sensor, then the LCD, the screen is lighting up automatically. When I remove my finger, it's turns off automatically. So it means our upgrade or the update is working. So now we need to just mount this sensor on the top. So I am going to mount somewhere here. Okay. So let's do some I will going to make one hole so that I can take this sensor out using the soldering machine. Okay, so I'm unable to fit the this sensor inside the this box. I'm going to fold the legs of the sensor a little bit. Okay, uh, make it do it safely, don't break the legs of the sensor. Okay, so it is done. Now I am going to make one small hole so that I can take the sensor out of the clock's body. Okay, I'm also going to add some tape, insulation tape, so that the clock sorry the so that the sensor should not go inside again. Okay, it fits tightly with the body of the clock and stay always on the top. Okay, so now it is done. Now I am going to add all the screws, add the batteries, install the batteries and power it on. Okay, so now you can see the sensor is on the top here. Okay, and now it is working perfectly. When I will hide the sensor, the lights will turn on, and when I will unhide the sensor, then the lights will get turned off automatically. So this is done. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the channel. uh, okay, thank you.